Hey everybody, welcome back to Modular Market. I'm Josh.
And I'm Hunter.
And we have part 2 of our DG pallet that we just purchased. Make sure and like, subscribe, hit the bell. Check out our channel if you want to see part 1. We're just going to dig right into our part 2 of our pallet. We're trying to make these around like 10 and a half, 11 minutes so they don't go too long. So we'll just dig right into part 2 and we'll make sure and like, subscribe, like I said, because we have 2 more DG pallets we're going to unbox for you guys in the near future. So first thing in this continuation of our first pallet, we have 6 of these case pack wine tumblers, $6 each.
Yeah.
They're different colors. There's 2 shades of blue,
Nice.
yellow, and orange. So nice little box here. These sell really quick for us.
So here's a case pack of the scent boosters that you put in your washing machine. There's 3, 6, 9, 12 of them in here.
Nice.
Yep. And then we have 2 of these packs of mason jars. They're regular 12 quart jars. The 1 liter. They were at the very bottom of the pallet and somehow
Not broke.
they're not broke. And there's some pretty heavy stuff that was left on them.
Right. That's an easy Facebook Marketplace sell. I mean, we'll probably get 10 or 15 bucks for the pair. So this is nice. This is another Facebook Marketplace sell, no doubt.
Wow, this is Dawn.
Case pack of Pennzoil high mileage 10W30 motor oil. There's 6 of them in here. Like I said, case pack, Pennzoil. I mean, I don't know what these retail for, probably 5-ish bucks a piece. A bottle, so easy Facebook Marketplace sell there.
If I counted right, because they're kind of thrown in here, there's 17 of these little bottles of Dawn dish soap, all the same orange scent. We'll probably at least get $1 for these.
Yeah, and that's
At
the
our yard
thing.
sale.
Once again, at DG, it's not just Dodger or branded. I mean, you're gonna get the big time, major brand in here. I mean,
That's the first time we've ever got a case pack of like Dawn, though.
yeah.
So we usually get, here and there a little bit, but never a full case pack.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it with my hands. So this is one of the boxes like, oh, you gotta be kidding me, but it is what it is with liquidation.
Our little guy might like to play with some of that.
It's a bunch of these gel clings or Easter, but there's some more stuff here at the bottom. And there's a bunch of these gel clings.
But there's some nice decor down there,
But
honestly.
there's some nice Easter decor down here. I mean, these little table things and
There's some of these.
scented Peeps marshmallow grass. Some more of these.
There's some of these Easter bunny ears.
Some of these little blocks.
Sorry, I'm just trying to help.
Good.
Some hanging decor.
With 70% off Easter clearance sign from DG. So it's really nice stuff in there.
At least it wasn't all of the clings.
Yeah, well, that's what at least what Hunter said. At least it wasn't all the clings. Like the other stuff will sell.
This is a case pack of clothes, it looks like.
This is almost just
not
like
a
what we
case
got the last box of the part 1 video. A bunch of these thermal long sleeve men's shirts, some women's pants, like jogging or jeggers, or what are they called?
Joggers.
Jeggings. No,
Joggers?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, those are joggers.
Okay. Joggers. So a bunch of those and
Here
stuff
you
in
go.
there. And it's getting really hot again.
I
That's
know.
kind of beating down on us. It's supposed to be 100 degrees tomorrow without the heat index, so it's gonna be real fun. Hand sanitizer, the big bottles. Two case packs of these. So 6
Oh.
each one, so 12 of them.
That's kind of right.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
So another 2 boxes or trays of canning jars. 12-pint jars, the mason jars again, the DG version. There's 2 of them in here. So another Facebook Marketplace. Easy sale there. What is this?
Pillows? Yeah, pillows.
The pillows?
Yeah, see? Vacuum step pillows.
Really?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. So case pack of decorative pillows, like vacuum sealed in here, then they expand, I guess, once you get them out. And they retail for $12 each.
Oh, it's open. Here's some vanilla sugar refills. We do so good on those.
Yeah, these are money right here.
Here's a floor storage shelf.
That's a table shelf thing.
Not got one of those in our Dollar
Yeah.
General pouch.
22 bucks retail. That's another Marketplace.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, like
These are 2 nice boxes.
2 nice boxes here. This is probably like what we said earlier. This is probably stay with us. It's a case pack of Charmin toilet paper.
Nice.
Charmin Ultra Strong toilet paper case pack. There's 3 of these bundles in here. There's 6 rolls. Yeah, 6 rolls in each one. So.
And this is even better.
Yeah.
Dual packs of Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. There's 6 of these packages in here. So.
I mean, toilet paper is ridiculously expensive. Especially this kind of stuff. So that's gonna save us a lot of money in the long run. Same thing with this Clorox stuff. So. I mean, it's sometimes you gotta sell some of it.
Keep all that,
but it's silly not to keep some of it because you're never gonna use it.
I'm really struggling with these.
So these are a case pack of these little Easter light up chicks. They're like little squishy things and they light up and they're like little balls. There's a bunch of colors in them. So
a case pack of lighters. There's 8 of these long candlestick lighters in here.
Nice.
Those sell good for us usually too.
Nice case pack here.
Those straws?
Yeah, they are. It's a case pack of flexible premium drinking straws, and they're all different wacky colors. So, really cool. Case pack. There's 12 of them in here. Once you need to sell real quick for us, silly stuff like that, it sells. I mean, it's easy enough as that. Case pack of chalk.
Here's a case pack of Wreaths.
There's what, probably 1, 2, 14. I'm gonna say 14 things in here.
There's 6 of these Wreaths.
No, 12.
And they retail for $5 a piece.
12 things of chalk, case pack. She already checked out the Wreaths.
Say this is probably chalk. And the last time we got chalk, it sold so fast for us. Yeah, another case pack just like Josh just opened of that chalk. I don't know about kids' toys and stuff, but they sell so fast for us in this area.
This is a new one. This is really cool. I like when DG does this.
It's a case pack or a display.
Yeah. It's a whole display of jewelry, earrings, chokers, headbands and choker sets, and more earrings. So, all case pack of stuff like that. They retail for $3 each.
That box is another box of Easter egg die kits.
I wish it was the Armor All on the outside.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's the Easter egg stuff.
This looks like another Easter box.
Beggars can't be choosers.
There you go.
Yeah, like Hunter said, it's in our Easter box. It's alright. Easter grass. A lot of Easter grass in this one. Actually, it's all it is. There's this little bunny purse thing, and the rest of it is Easter grass. So, you might just put this in a tote, hold off on it, and then when Easter comes around next year, we just make big lots. And we'll put like $20 on a bunch of each stuff and it'll fly. So.
I've even seen where people who do like stuff like this, they take the baskets and they put the Easter grass in it and make like kids baskets.
Yeah.
And then sell them that way too. So there's a lot of different ways you can sell them.
Whole thing of sparkle paper towels. $10 MSRP. There's 8 rolls in here. Brand new.
These are the Smart and Simple lock containers. There's 4 of these in here.
So we got these case pack of these tumblers. It says Farm Fresh on them, like little farm glasses. They're good for $1 each. These will still sell. I don't think they're supposed to have lids. Are they supposed to have lids? Is this tumbler?
I don't think so.
No? Okay. So all those glasses right there.
And I believe there's 2 of these.
2 of them.
Yeah, I think there's one more right there.
So this is a whole case pack of Tiki torch fuel. $6 retail each. A torch fuel, and Hunter just said it says the citronella scented in it. 6 of them in there, so I mean, it's $36 retail value box. That's a good place at marketplace.
I mean, you can double check for me, but I think they're right there. All right, this box can break it.
Yep, like Hunter said, another box of the Tiki torch citronella fused stuff. Torch fuel.
Oh, that one's no, that's not broke.
Anything broke?
There's this set and one more set. They each retail for $4 each. They're kind of cute though.
You're kind of cute.
Mhm.
So let's see what this is. Some case pack. Case pack of Love My Carpet and Room Deodorizer. So it's like the powder stuff. You just like put on. Whoa, she's open. So you put on and it'll make your stuff smell good. There's 12 of them in there. grab these. Calendar.
All right, this. Oh, we'll keep these.
Yeah.
We just bought some yesterday too.
Bought
Dang
some.
it. Some baby wipes.
Baby wipes.
Lavender scented.
That's just easy stuff to keep right there. Yeah. So this is a case pack of toddler boy shoes. Once again, we'll probably keep a size of these $8 a piece at retail for. There's what, 6 pairs in here.
Those are good daycare shoes.
They're good daycare shoes. Good daycare and outside shoes. He ruins them like no other.
Always thin pads. There's 3 of these sets in here. I should have made Josh open it.
It's alright. I've been married for a while and been with you for a while. So we have,
nice.
oh, these are those like back in our days, like the outdoor, like bouncy balls are connected to your hand or your ankle, and you throw the ball, it comes back to you. Whole case pack of those, $3
You
each.
should connect them to your ankles.
No, I guess not, but they're probably meant for your hand. I was thinking about those little things you hop over, like kill your ankle.
Oh yeah.
Those hard plastic ones.
These are cute. They're like some wicker little baskets. There's another set of these. The smallest one sells for $6, and the biggest one sells for $10. The medium one doesn't have a price tag. Honestly, what I'll probably do with these is I'll take a picture of all this and list it as a lot on Marketplace for all 3 of them.
So another Easter decorations box. So we have some of these more of these little wreaths, some of these little Easter truck things, a little coloring Easter thing, and then 2 of these Easter bunny wreaths.
This one's been heavy on the Easter.
Well, I see it was liquidated in middle and beginning in April, so that would make sense why it's heavy.
This is a nice one too. This is full of some tubs.
Oh, nice.
Like 14-piece food storage set. There's 6 of these sets in here, and they each retail for $6 a piece.
So another case pack of this same thing as that Love My Carpet stuff, but this is Antibacterial Carpet and Fabric Deodorizer case pack of that.
This is a case pack of those, I don't know what I'm trying to say, those to-go containers. The smaller ones. Styrofoam ones. I have no idea how many's in here.
Hi, neighbor. Nice, this is a nice
That's
box
our
in
last
on.
box.
It's a case pack of sheets. So there's 2 sets of full sheets in there. We got some case pack of bath towels. We got a case pack of lighters. So a case pack of lighters. And that.
Oh, those got sayings on them. How cute.
Yeah. I was hoping you'd grab it from me. Read my mind.
My people skills are just fine. It's my tolerance for idiots that needs some work. That's funny.
And then this is a nice.
Oh, those are the nice ones too.
This is a case pack of Gorilla Glue, like the clear adhesive glue. If I talk, case pack of Gorilla Glue, really nice. It's a good
Those
box.
lighters will do good for us. They're funny.
Yeah. What is this? Like a jacket, case pack of jackets, men's jackets, and then a case pack. There's 3 of them in here of reversible quilts. Case pack full. So that's a heck of a box to end on right there. So that was pallet number 1. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on DG pallet number 2.
Bye, guys.